Iran has issued a shocking ultimatum to Russia, urging it not to take sides with Azerbaijan in an escalating border conflict. The tension arises over the sensitive region shared by Iran, Armenia, and Azerbaijan. Iran expressed concerns about Russia's potential support for Azerbaijan, fearing a shift in regional power dynamics. This warning signals a growing strain between Tehran and Moscow, two allies in other areas, and highlights the delicate balance of geopolitical relationships in the region. This video will showcase Iran's most lethal military weapons, ready for an eventual war against any country. The Qaher 313 is a stealth fighter jet developed by Iran, which was first unveiled in 2013. It has been described as a next-generation aircraft capable of avoiding radar detection and performing a variety of advanced combat missions. The design features sharp angles and a small profile, which suggests stealth capabilities similar to other modern fighter jets. Iran has touted it as a symbol of its indigenous defense capabilities, particularly in response to international sanctions and military isolation. In recent years, there have been few updates on the program, leading to speculation about its actual performance in the field. If fully realized, the Qaher 313 could represent a significant leap in Iran's aerospace capabilities, offering it a potential edge in air defense and attack scenarios. Despite the controversies surrounding the aircraft, Iran's insistence on its viability showcases its broader efforts to establish self-reliance in military technology, a theme central to its defense strategy. The Mohajer 10 is a medium-altitude, long-endurance UAV developed by Iran. Unveiled in 2023, it represents a significant leap in Iran's drone technology, capable of carrying out reconnaissance, surveillance, and combat missions. The Mohajer 10 is designed for a variety of operational roles, including intelligence gathering, target acquisition, and precision strikes. It can carry up to 300 kilograms of payload, including guided missiles and bombs, making it a versatile tool in both offensive and defensive operations. The drone's endurance allows it to stay in the air for extended periods, reportedly up to 24 hours, covering a wide operational range of 2,000 kilometers. Its development underscores Iran's growing expertise in unmanned warfare, with the Mohajer 10 positioned as a strategic asset in the region. With the ability to operate in contested environments, the Mohajer 10 enhances Iran's asymmetric warfare capabilities, making it a critical asset in Iran's defense doctrine. The Ababil 4 and Ababil 5 UAVs are part of Iran's growing arsenal of unmanned aerial vehicles, each designed for both surveillance and combat roles. The Ababil series is known for its versatility and has been used for various missions, including reconnaissance, target acquisition, and, in some cases, direct strikes. The Ababil 4 is an upgrade over its predecessors, featuring enhanced range, payload capacity, and improved avionics. It can carry light munitions and is often used in intelligence gathering missions over contested areas. The Ababil 5, a further refinement, includes advancements in flight endurance, data transmission, and targeting accuracy. This UAV has been equipped with modern sensors, making it a potent tool for both intelligence and combat operations. The Ababil 5's improved strike capability allows it to carry precision-guided munitions, making it suitable for more tactical roles on the battlefield. Both drones have been used in regional conflicts, underscoring their importance to Iran's military strategy. The Yasin Trainer aircraft is an indigenous jet developed by Iran for training fighter pilots. It was first revealed in 2019 and is considered a crucial step in Iran's efforts to establish self-sufficiency in military aviation. The Yasin is designed to serve as an advanced jet trainer, allowing new pilots to transition from basic flight instruction to more complex combat operations. The aircraft is equipped with modern avionics and aerodynamic features that mimic those of actual combat jets, giving trainee pilots realistic flight experience. With a maximum speed of about 1,000 kilometers per hour and a flight ceiling of 12 kilometers, the Yasin provides a versatile platform for training. It can also carry light munitions, giving it potential utility in light attack roles. The introduction of the Yasin underscores Iran's commitment to developing a comprehensive military aviation infrastructure, addressing both training needs and operational flexibility. The Bavar 373 is an advanced, long-range surface-to-air missile defense system developed by Iran. The Bavar 373 was designed to counter various aerial threats, including aircraft, drones, and ballistic missiles. It was first introduced in 2019 and is seen as one of Iran's key advancements in missile defense technology. The system is equipped with several radars that provide a comprehensive detection range, reportedly capable of identifying and engaging targets up to 300 kilometers away. Its missiles can strike targets at altitudes of up to 27 kilometers, providing a formidable barrier against potential aerial incursions. Iran developed the Bavar 373 as a response to international sanctions that limited its ability to procure advanced defense systems from other nations, particularly after the cancellation of a deal with Russia for the S-300. This system demonstrates Iran's growing expertise in producing indigenous defense technologies. The Arman anti-ballistic missile system is a recent addition to Iran's growing arsenal of missile defense technologies. Designed to intercept and neutralize ballistic missiles, the Arman system is part of Iran's broader strategy to defend against regional missile threats, particularly from adversaries such as Israel or the United States. Although details on the Arman ABM system are scarce, it is believed to complement Iran's other air defense systems, like the Bavar 373, forming a multi-layered defense network. The Arman system is likely equipped with advanced radar and tracking capabilities, capable of detecting incoming missile threats from long distances and launching countermeasures to neutralize them mid-flight. While much of Iran's missile defense strategy has historically centered around short and medium-range threats, the Arman system represents a shift toward countering more advanced, long-range ballistic missile capabilities. The Fattah hypersonic missile is one of Iran's most advanced weapons, capable of traveling at speeds exceeding Mach 5, making it extremely difficult to detect or intercept. Unveiled in 2023, the Fattah is designed to evade even the most sophisticated missile defense systems, thanks to its high velocity and maneuverability. Hypersonic missiles like the Fattah represent a new era in missile technology, combining speed with precision targeting. The missile's introduction marks a significant milestone in Iran's military capabilities, particularly in the realm of strategic deterrence. The Fattah can carry a variety of payloads, including conventional and possibly nuclear warheads, though details about its specific armament remain classified. Iran's development of hypersonic technology is seen as a response to the growing missile defense capabilities of its adversaries, particularly in the United States and Israel. The Karrar UAV is one of Iran's earliest forays into the field of unmanned aerial vehicles, first introduced in 2010. Designed primarily for reconnaissance and strike missions, the Karrar is a versatile drone capable of carrying various payloads, including bombs and missiles. With a reported range of 1,000 kilometers, it can operate deep within enemy territory, making it a valuable asset for both surveillance and combat operations. The Karrar can carry a payload of up to 500 kilograms, allowing it to strike targets with significant precision. Its jet propulsion system allows it to fly at higher speeds compared to other UAVs in Iran's arsenal, making it a fast response option for offensive operations. The Karrar has been upgraded multiple times since its introduction, with newer models boasting improved range, payload capacity, and targeting systems. As tensions in the Middle East persist, the Karrar UAV continues to play a crucial role in Iran's military operations. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on everything related to AI and robotics.